Kai,
Hello po.
seems like busy-busy ka ngayon sa Shining.
Yes, super po. Ngayon nasa set po kami ng Shining Inheritance.
Inheritance, yeah.
Yeah.
So, balik ka dito, bilang kontrabida, di ba? So, how do you feel na you're back to your old self na nagpasikat sa'yo?
Wow.
Di ba?
Well, it feels great po every single time na nagkakaroon ng challenging roles para sa akin, and for me, being a contributor is really challenging, especially now na bumalik po ako. Sinasabi ko po lagi na this was my comfort zone before, part of my comfort zone before, but right now it's out of it. So, kinakabahan po ako ng sobra. Pero, sana po magustuhan.
Pero there should be changes. Siyempre sa atake mo sa role, sa kung paano mo siya characterize. So, ano yun?
Yun po yung extra challenge.
Okay. That it should be apart from Kambal
yeah,
Karima.
because this is not high school drama anymore. It's may corporate na po nakahalo. As in, mas mature talaga. So, the way we deliver our lines, actually, my character is kind of immature, but at the same time, she needs to be mature also. Well, I need to have a mature, what do you call that? Execution po sa bawat eksena na gagawin. So, ayun.
Doon sa Kambal Karima, siyempre you were praised, but also you were bashed.
Yeah.
Di ba? Dito ba, do you have that jitters na it might happen again? Kasi talagang pinag-usapan ka.
I cannot say that it might happen again because it is still happening. Up to this date, mas lumala nga po. But, you know, it's okay. At least now, yung ibabash nila is yung character ko. Hopefully. And it's a compliment po sa akin if mabash ako yung character ko. But yeah, hindi na po bago sa akin yung pambabash kasi it's my breakfast, lunch, dinner, in between snacks pa. Midnight snack pa.
It's becoming a very strong person, di ba?
Yeah, and sanayan lang. Opo, pero
it helps also to your maturity.
Yeah, and my mindset right now is I cannot control how the people perceive me or how they feel or think about me, and I cannot be bothered by the things that I cannot control. So, I just do whatever I want and bahala na po sila.
Ang ganda ng mindsetting mo,
Yeah.
Kasi yung iba may depressed-depression effect, pero sa'yo talaga cabs.
I mean, it's normal po.
Yeah.
Or normal naman po kung everything is valid. Lahat ng emotions na mararamdaman ng isang tao ay valid. Pero, dumating na po talaga ako sa point na gano'n. Na parang, okay, kayo na. Kung ano naman yung judgment niyo sa akin, okay, sige. I will still do my job. I will still do my work. I will still live my life the way I want to live my life.
Pero how do you feel when you are being judged? Not as an actress, but as a person?
Now po, I don't care. I don't care at all. Kasi, na-realize ko na po, at hindi ko po siya overnight na-realize ko na ang importante lang sa akin ay yung opinion ng Panginoong Diyos, yung opinion ng aking pamilya, yung opinion ng aking mga kaibigan, at yung opinion ko sa sarili ko.
For those people who know you better.
Yes, and who knows me for who I am, who I really am. Yun ang importante. Not naman na parang hindi importante yung opinion ng ibang tao, but like, what matters to me most and kung ano yung papakinggan ko lang.
So how are you now? Yung state of emotions mo, you've been through a lot, and now parang ganda-ganda ng buhay mo.
Actually, we had this conversation po kami dalawang tita Connie kanina sa dressing room niya. Na just say thank you and always inquire to God. Lagi niya sinasabi yan. Simula sa maliliit na bagay, hanggat sa malalaking bagay, always inquire to Him. Pray to Him. And looking at the bigger picture now, God protected me po dun sa journey na yun, sa phase na yun ng buhay ko. And I'm sure until now, andun pa rin naman yung protection at yung pagmamahal ni God. So I don't really worry that much anymore. I still worry, pero hindi na po yung parang...
Hindi na baggage yun sa'yo.
Hindi na po baggage.
Your whatever bad past or experience that you had.
Not anymore, because
Not
I know
anymore.
that my truth is the truth, and I am honest with all of the things that I'm doing or I'm saying. Si God na po bahala maglabas.
Not anymore also because it seems like your surroundings is full of red roses.
Red roses? Okay.
What do you mean is figuratively?
Sorry po?
Figuratively, mukhang ang ganda-ganda ng kapaligiran mo.
Oh, thank you so
Mabulaklak.
much. Because I'm so grateful po ngayong season ng aking buhay. I just feel so grateful. May mga little bumps sa road, but I'm still grateful for those little bumps.
Nakilalaman mo dito si Kay?
Let's not talk about that.
Oo nga. Kasi maraming I don't know if you like to talk about this, pero it's all over naman Kay. The holding hands, the party, nakita ulit yung latest.
I feel like I've been interviewed too much about it. I think it's time naman to ask him. Wag po ako.
Right.
Kaya I don't really... Kaya like po sinasabi that I'm not in the position to say anything about it or comment about it kasi parang siya dapat.
Pero sa friendship, kumusta ang pagiging
It's great. It's getting... of course, sa lahat naman po ng friendship, mas nagiging deeper yung relationship nyo dapat for you guys to be closer and know if you guys are okay to be friends. Yeah.
But if ever, kasi boyfriend material naman, di ba?
Oh, kakataon. Kobe.
Just in case lang.
He is... sinasabi ko nga sa kanya, he is such a gentle giant. Hindi siya mukhang gentle, pero he is. So, yeah.
Tsaka...
Ito si Kate, ano to eh. About Shining Inheritance naman daw. Ito po si Kate, lagi niya po siya.
Later.
At meron siyang Mang Tomas.
Correct. At least friends kayo, di ba?
Ay, nagpaplastikan lang po kami yun.
Kahit, anak. Kahit marami kayong mga eksenang medyo...
Opo. Parang masyado na kaming dun sa... We're way past the... magkaaway.
Correct. Pero...
Actually, never naman kami nag-away.
How is he supporting you? Si Ko?
Balik talaga ko?
How is he supporting
you? Help me!
How is he supporting sa career mo? Kasi lalo ngayon, di ba? Yung career mo talaga is super duper.
All of my friends, they're supporting me very, very well. Ibang klase po yung core ko ngayon. Ibang klase yung core ko na friends. Yeah. Sobrang grateful ko po sa kanila.
Pero maraming kinikinig kasi sa inyo eh. Parang seems like, no comparison from the past, pero it seems like parang mas marami ang nagsabing ang cute-cute ng team up. As yung friendship nyo. Friendship pa?
Yes!
Ayun nga.
Hindi naglataman.
Hindi, tawag dito. Happy pill siya.
Happy pill? Of course. All of my friends, lahat po sila happy pill.
What makes him apart from sa ibang boys na nagiging ka-close mo? Ano yung characteristics niya as a person, ha?
Feeling ko po, just, get to know him more. He's really different po behind all of the... Feeling ko same as mine, he doesn't really not care or hindi lang talaga siya nagpapabother sa mga assumptions sa kanya ng public. So, yeah.
At saka kahit figure siya, showbiz ka, siya hindi. So parang walang clash sa interest and all. Kahit yung family niya nasa showbiz din.
But yeah, I get to know him more. I mean, hindi ko pa rin naman po siya ganun talaga kakilala.
Yeah.
I mean, even though I'm friends with Andre,
Yeah.
ngayon pa lang po talaga kami nagkahali.
How long na yung friendship niyo? To date back?
Months na rin naman.
Okay,
Pero syempre, I've been busy.
Nakita ko yung post niya sa iyo, sa IG niya.
Ay.
Nakaka-proud din yan sa pagiging babae, di ba?
I mean, proud po ako sa post ko. Pinost niya man nung hindi niya
Na-repost, yeah, of course.
Wow, strong woman.
Yeah.
Kung ano man po yung naging reaction ng netizens.
Nakatuwa ka, Kai, kasi
Tito Manny,
you deserve happiness. You deserve happiness.
Thank you. Thank you
Diba? So, at least you're very happy now.
Ang late ng Shining Inheritance. Ang laki ng ano ito pa.
You're very happy now. Happiness lang. Ano ka ba? Happiness na you have a good, you have a good...
Si Kate naman, Kate. Ikaw naman. Tara dito, save me.
Sige. Last na nga. So, itong Shining Inheritance. Puro tigit. When do you expect to have this aired?
Only God knows. Hindi rin po kasi namin alam kung kailan talaga mag-i-air ang Shining Inheritance. But very soon, definitely this year. Yeah, hopefully next month.
So ano yan? Sabi nga, this is it again.
Yes, this is it again. It's my solo era and I'm so excited.
Alright. Good luck, Kai.
Thank you po.
Love ya.
Love you.